In this guide, we'll show you how to sign a PDF document on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, ensure the PDF is saved to your iPhone. For example, if it's in an email, open the email, tap the share icon, scroll down and select Save to Files. Choose a location to save the file and remember where you've saved it. Next, open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap Browse. At the bottom right, navigate to the location where you saved the PDF, in this example. It's in the On My iPhone section under a specific folder, and open the PDF. Once the PDF is open, scroll down to where you want to add your signature. If you don't see the signature option right away, tap the pen icon to reveal the tools. Then, look for the signature option at the top of the screen. Tap the plus icon, select Add Signature, and either create a new signature or use an existing one. To create a new one, draw your signature, press Done in the top right, and it will appear on the document. You can resize and reposition the signature using the blue dots. Hold and drag it to your desired spot. You can also adjust settings like color, thickness, and more using the options above the signature. Once you're satisfied, tap Done in the top right, and your signature will be saved to the PDF. That's all there is to it.